I am here today to tell you about the Nano towels. These were gifted to me by the brand, but all of the thoughts and opinions are gonna be my own. I am super excited to try these today. As you can see right on the front, cleans only with water. So these are designed to replace paper towels. Instead of grabbing a paper towel and let's say a cleaning spray, you can grab one of these and just add water, and then you don't have chemicals in your kitchen or around your house if that's something that you're looking to do. These are machine washable. So it says you can hand wash them in warm water, but you can also machine wash them if that's something you want to do. So that is super cool. So let's jump right in. Let's get these open and let's go try them out. All right, these are the 14, I'm gonna try to back up so you can see. These are the 14 by 14 Nano towels, and there are two sides to these. One side is a little more fluffy, a little more textured, and then the other side is a little smoother, you can see here. All right, so let's go see if we can find some dirty stuff to clean. All right, here we have a countertop. It's a little hard to see, but you can see there's like some, I don't know what this is, water spots, probably some drink, some place where maybe I used another cleaner to clean it beforehand, but you can see the streaks. So let's just go in with the Nano towel. I am using it a little bit damp, and I'm just gonna wipe this down. Yeah, it's a little sticky too. I don't think you can see that, but all right. And then I'm gonna go in with the opposite side, or you can use another towel if you'd like, but I'm just gonna turn it over and use the smooth side, and I'm just going to, that's just gonna kind of dry it and just make sure all the little debris is picked up. So as you can see, it cleaned it really well. There are no more streaks, they are gone. And I did that all without using any spray or any chemicals. All right, now we are going to try the side of the water purifier. So you can see, again, this looks like stainless steel. It has a lot of just dirt and grime. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna go in with the wet side, and we are just gonna wipe that down. Whoops. All right, and then to make sure that it dries nice and streak free, we're gonna go back with the smooth side of the towel, and we're just going to kind of buff that out a little bit. All right, you can definitely see the difference. Down here is where I did not clean, and you can definitely see the difference at the top where I did. So the really nice thing about these towels is that you can use them in your home for dusting. You can wipe down countertops, floors. You can use them in your bathroom. You can use them in your car, interior and exterior. They're really good for a variety of different surfaces. And you never have to worry, again, about putting chemicals onto your surfaces. There we go. Looks great. I hope you enjoyed that demo. I used it on 3 different surfaces just to kind of show you the variety of ways you can use this. You can also just use these for dusting if you want. If you don't want to wet it, you can just use it as a dust cloth as well. So again, these are the 14 by 14 towels. They are two-sided, fluffy textured side, and then the smooth side for drying and buffing things out. So overall, I am super excited about these towels. And if you are looking for a multi-purpose cleaning towel and wanting to get rid of chemicals, I would highly suggest checking out these Nano towels.